Hello, musicians. In this video, we're going to be going over number 19, our fourth note, on page 8 of your Sound Innovations book. Now, number 19 introduces the fourth note for us on each of our instruments. So every instrument is going to have a different note. All right? Our flutes, our trombones, and our euphonium are going to be working on E flat. Our clarinets and trumpets are going to be working on F, our saxophone on C, and our French horn on B flat. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for the brass players how your new note sounds, and then I'm going to play through the exercise on two different instruments for you. Here we go. So first off, starting at the top, our flutes have E flat as well as our trombones and euphonium. Flutes, when we go to play E flat, if we look in our book, it's going to tell us to do the following. We're going to use our pinky, our 3 fingers on our right hand on the bottom, our 2 fingers on our left hand, and our thumb. Next up, our clarinets are going to use the note F. F is only your thumb, followed by our saxophones, who on their instruments will use their second key only with their thumb on the thumb pad for C. Our trumpets will be doing the note F as well, just like the clarinets, which uses the first valve. F also sounds like this. This is the highest sound we will have learned so far. Like our trumpets, our French horns are also getting a new higher sound, which is B flat. It's our first valve, and again, it's going to sound like this. Finally, our trombones and euphoniums are going to be adding the note E flat. Again, a little bit higher than our previous notes. Trombone, it's in third position. Third position is approximately where your bell begins to curve, about this far out. And then for our euphoniums, it's going to be your first valve. E flat will sound like so. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate the exercise twice. Once on flute and a second time on trumpet. First, I'm going to demonstrate this on flute using the background music of Smart Music. Here we go. You probably noticed that in this exercise, measures 1, 2, and 4 are all the same note, this new fourth note, and measure 3 changes notes. Measure 3 will be the lowest note you've learned. Make sure to double check which notes you have to play specifically in your book, as well as making sure that you can count the half notes and the whole note correctly. Next, I'm going to demonstrate this on trumpet so that you can hear the difference between the brass and the woodwind sound. For the demonstration on trumpet, I'm only going to use my metronome. Again, you can practice along with your metronome or with Smart Music. The choice is yours. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more thing before we wrap up on number 19, our fourth note. Make sure that you're paying attention to the breath mark here in the center. The breath mark tells us where the best spot to breathe in is to create a full phrase for the exercise. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I hope this helped you with working on exercise 19 from your Sound Innovations book, our fourth note. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!